Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Write the inequality shown by each graph and describe the solution in words. Part A, a number line with an open circle at -3 and shading to the left. Part B, a number line with a closed circle at 5 and shading to the right. Part C, write a real-world situation that could be modeled by the inequality in Part B. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Before reading the graphs, let's recall the two key symbols. An open circle means the endpoint is not included, so we use a strict less than or greater than sign. A closed circle means the endpoint is included, so we use less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Shading to the left represents values less than the endpoint, and shading to the right represents values greater than the endpoint. For Part A, the open circle at -3 tells us -3 is not included. The shading goes to the left, so we want all numbers less than -3. The inequality is x is less than -3. In words, all real numbers strictly less than -3. For Part B, the closed circle at 5 tells us 5 is included. The shading goes to the right, so we want all numbers greater than or equal to 5. The inequality is x is greater than or equal to 5. In words, all real numbers greater than or equal to 5, including 5 itself. For Part C, we need a real-world situation where some quantity must be at least 5. Here is one example. A store requires a customer to buy at least 5 items to get free shipping. If x is the number of items, the condition is x is greater than or equal to 5. Buying exactly 5 items qualifies, and buying more than 5 also qualifies. This perfectly matches the closed circle and rightward shading. To summarize, Part A gives x less than -3, all numbers strictly below -3. Part B gives x greater than or equal to 5, all numbers from 5 onward, including 5. And for Part C, a real-world example is needing to purchase at least 5 items to receive free shipping. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.